Ever feel like your business is running full speed, but your IT is stuck in reverse? Slow networks, unexpected server crashes, cloud confusion, all of these can silently slow down your growth. So, how do you break free and keep your business moving? Is your network slowing your team down? Are connectivity issues causing missed opportunities? At Inventiv Technology, we proactively manage your network and deploy SD-WAN solutions, ensuring seamless connectivity, faster application performance, and strong security across all your locations. No more downtime, no more slow connections, just smooth, reliable networking that supports your business growth. Worried about server crashes or losing access to critical data? What happens if your storage can't keep up with your business? We manage your servers, storage, and backups, making sure your data is always secure, accessible, and scalable. Your business keeps running, while we take care of the backbone of your IT infrastructure. Thinking of moving to the cloud but afraid of the risks? Unsure how to optimize costs or ensure security? Inventiv Technology handles cloud migration, optimization, and 24/7 monitoring, turning the cloud into a growth engine for your business, flexible, scalable, and stress-free. What if small IT problems could stop before they even start? With our real-time monitoring and predictive assessments, we detect risks, prevent downtime, and keep your systems running at peak performance, all before you even notice a problem. And when an IT issue does pop up, do you have support available anytime? Our 24/7 service desk ensures your team gets fast, reliable help whenever they need it. Quick solutions, minimal downtime, and full peace of mind, that's the Inventiv promise. Is your IT aligned with your business goals? Or are you just reacting to problems as they come? We provide strategic IT guidance, aligning technology with your growth, reducing risks, and making IT a true partner in your success. Stop letting IT problems hold your business back. With Inventiv Technology, you get reliable IT, strategic solutions, and 24/7 support, everything you need to scale confidently. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and book your free consultation today.